Hey guys, Justin with Ready Business Systems, and today I was just going to go over how to use Gmail filters. So everyone's used to this. This is Gmail. This is my Gmail inbox. Hopefully there's nothing too personal showing. Um, but what we have here is we have filters. So I have labels here uh, for different business ventures I have going on. So we have the Ready Business Systems, we have the real estate, and we have the 855RI Lawns. That's basically what I do. And then this inbox is my primary personal inbox. So to keep my inbox so neat and tidy, what we do is we utilize these Gmail filters. So right here in these settings, go to settings and filters right here. And these filters you can set up for any sort of email. So what I've done is whenever I have spam and stuff like that, I just have it delete it. So whenever you get that junk mail in your inbox you don't want, you can delete them. I also have things for these labels. So for example, right here, anything that comes into this email address, which is my Ready Business Systems email address, it skips the inbox, so I never see it, and goes to the label RBS. So basically all my email, I basically have 3 separate email inboxes, so I can separate my work life from my personal life and kind of manage my time a little better without having distractions. So I have those for that. I also have them for 855RI Lawns, for different types of emails that come in, for real estate, these receipts, so it keeps your inbox nice and organized. Also, if you ever wanted to, if you can either manually create the filters from that screen, also you can create them right from the email. So you can do filter messages like these, and I'll show you what your options you have. So you can either filter from email address, where it's coming from, where it's mailed to, subject has the words, doesn't have the words, size has attachment, whatever, don't include chat. So if you click search, it's going to show you whatever matches that search. If you click create filter, it's going to create the option to right here. So basically right now this email I have for kite surfing wind conditions, basically I don't want to filter it, but just for an example I'm going to show you. But you can skip the inbox, mark it as read as soon as it comes in. You can star it. So that's another way I star emails to keep them important, to make me know that they're important and things I want to reference in the future. You can apply the label. We can forward it to different email addresses. If you need to forward it for any reason, for work, to your accountant or anything like that contains certain documents, because we have these on our business inbox as well. So we do have like invoices that come in that I have set to automatically forward to our accountant. You can delete them, not send them to spam. You can send a automatic template back to the people if it contains certain things. Mark it as important, choose a category, etc. So anyway, that's the Gmail filters. They come in handy. We also use these I just made a video about recruiting for applicants, people who apply through Indeed. So we say if you apply through Indeed, you're automatically disqualified because there's a link within our Indeed ads and within our Craigslist ads that say apply through this link. Do not apply through Indeed. Do not apply through Craigslist. So if they do, we just have a filter set, so it automatically deletes it, and we never even see the email. We only see the people who come through who apply the way they're supposed to. So you can see how having these filters helps you stay better organized and more efficient with your business. Check out the website, readybusinesssystems.com. Catch you guys next time.